everybody, we would like to introduce our team. My name is Stephanie Virginia from class 9B.
Howdy, my name is Istankan Sahlana Kita from 9C.
Hi, my name is Salsabila Ulia Jasmine from 9L.
Today we are going to make a sandwich. The title is How to Make a Sandwich, and the goal is to inform everyone how to make a sandwich.
Kansa, could you tell us the ingredients?
Okay, the ingredient consists of bread, mayonnaise, tomato sauce, cheddar cheese, fried beef, and fried egg. It's you, Jun Revani. Please tell us.
Cucumber, carrot, red chili, long bean, tomato, broccoli, Chinese cabbage, and celery.
Kansa, please tell us how to make the sandwich.
Sure. Firstly, place a slice of bread on the plate. Secondly, spread the bread with mayonnaise. Thirdly, add tomato, cheddar cheese, fried beef, fried egg, and Chinese cabbage. After that, add chili sauce and mayonnaise. Then, put a slice of bread on the top and cut into triangle shape. Finally, the sandwich is ready to be served.
Thank you for watching and see you.